Just like what I was saying the other day, South African doctors are amongst the best in the world. And we don't need US aid because US aid was helping us with ARVs. Now you can take a jab twice a year and then you don't even have to condomize because you'll be okay, you have to condomize. It's the right thing to do. I'm just joking. So you still need to condomize, but you just need to take the jab twice a year. You don't have to take pills every day. In April next year, South Africa plans to start rolling out an anti-HIV jab taken only twice a year that could end AIDS in the country within 14 to 18 years if enough people take it. The once every 6 month shot called lenacapavir (LEN) works 100% of the time to stop young women from getting HIV through sex. So yeah, this is very effective.